Thank you. Well, right now, hotspots are flaring up from a wildfire over the weekend.
Crews rushed in to get the flames under control as it burned close to the Miami Executive Airport down south. CBS News Miami's Yvonne Taylor is your reporter live in Southwest Miami-Dade. And Yvonne, some residents you talked to are struggling with that smoke.
They're struggling and they're not really happy to stay indoors on this Memorial Day. Jim and Lauren, the truth is that the smoke will remain a threat to people's health, and we're going to show you right now why. And it's because of the hot spots like the one that you're looking at. If they remain in the area, that's what's left of a brush fire that broke out in the vicinity of Southwest 120th Street and 137th Avenue near Miami Executive Airport on Sunday. When Miami-Dade fire crews arrived, they said that they were met with heavy smoke and flames. Now, because of the size of the fire, it was upgraded to a second alarm and additional resources were brought in. Now, today, Miami-Dade Fire said that fire is contained, but homeowners, especially those who live across from where the flames started, are frustrated.
There's smoke in there. I couldn't, every time I go out, I just inhale the smoke. So right now I'm just kind of laying low inside. It's really dangerous. I mean, I don't know what the reason was. Anybody knows what caused it?
We do recommend that you stay indoors as much as possible when smoke is visible or when air quality is poor.
And Miami-Dade Fire is saying that the smoke will not only affect those in the proximity of the fire because the wind can carry pollutants to a far distance. So coming up at 6 p.m., we'll tell you about the health issues that people could face if they choose to leave their house while the smoke is prevalent in the area. That'll be in less than 1 hour. We're live in Southwest Miami-Dade. Yvonne Taylor, CBS News, Miami.